Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. The fusion of wood and metal in furniture design represents a perfect harmony between natural warmth and industrial strength. This combination has gained immense popularity in contemporary interiors due to its versatility, durability, and aesthetic appeal. Wood, with its organic textures and rich hues, provides a sense of comfort and tradition, while metal adds a modern, sleek, and sturdy element. Together, these materials create pieces that are not only functional but also visually striking. Designers today are experimenting with various forms, finishes, and textures, leveraging the contrasting qualities of wood and metal to craft furniture that complements diverse interior styles, ranging from rustic to ultra-modern. This blend embodies a balanced approach, bringing together the best of both worlds for a timeless appeal. The key to successful design lies in understanding the properties of each material and how they can be integrated seamlessly to enhance durability, aesthetic value, and functionality. Historically, wood and metal have been used in furniture making for centuries, but their combination became more prominent during the Industrial Revolution. The era marked a shift towards mass production and the use of industrial materials, leading to innovative designs that balance craftsmanship with functionality. Art Deco, mid-century modern, and industrial styles all showcase the integration of wood and metal, highlighting their complementary qualities. Over time, artisans and designers refined techniques to enhance aesthetics and structural stability, exploring new finishes, joinery, and fabrication methods. Today, this combination continues to evolve with advancements in materials and technology, allowing for more intricate designs, lightweight structures, and sustainable options. The historical journey of wood and metal fusion reflects a continuous quest for beauty, resilience, and innovation in furniture design. Choosing the right types of wood and metal is crucial for creating durable and aesthetically pleasing furniture. Hardwoods like oak, walnut, and teak are favored for their strength, grain patterns, and longevity. Softwoods such as pine or cedar can also be used for lighter, more casual pieces. Metals like steel, brass, bronze, and aluminum offer varied finishes, corrosion resistance, and structural support. Compatibility between the materials depends on factors such as weight bearing, finishing techniques, and environmental conditions. Proper surface preparation and treatment, like sealing, polishing, or powder coating, ensure that the wood and metal elements adhere well and resist wear. Additionally, considering the natural aging process and how the materials will develop over time helps in selecting suitable combinations. Thoughtful material selection enhances the overall integrity and visual harmony of the furniture piece. Successful furniture design using wood and metal hinges on principles of balance, contrast, and harmony. Contrasting textures, such as smooth polished metal against rough grain wood, create visual interest. The interplay of warm and cool tones adds depth, making each piece unique. Symmetry and asymmetry are employed strategically to evoke different moods. Symmetrical designs evoke stability, while asymmetrical compositions convey dynamism. The proportion and scale of wood and metal elements must be carefully considered to prevent visual clutter or imbalance. Designers often experiment with geometric shapes, minimalist lines, or ornate detailing, depending on the desired style. The goal is to achieve an aesthetic that highlights the natural beauty of both materials while ensuring structural integrity and comfort. Integrating wood and metal requires innovative joinery techniques to maximize strength and durability. Traditional methods include mortise and tenon, dovetail joints, and screws. Often supplemented with modern welding, bolting, or adhesive bonding. Metal brackets and reinforcements are frequently used to secure joints, especially in load-bearing furniture like tables, beds, and chairs. The choice of fasteners must consider expansion and contraction due to temperature and humidity changes, preventing warping or loosening over time. Engineers and artisans work together to optimize weight distribution and stability, ensuring that the furniture withstands daily use. Proper planning during the design phase is essential to hide joints or integrate them aesthetically, maintaining sleek lines and clean finishes. Thank you for visiting SARI 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.